hunting.
Don't touch that wild parsnip. It smells like wetland.
Well, there's something in these here woods. Something watching us from behind every dolly tree and scurrying out of our sight. Little fella must be shy. But despite that funny feeling, we kept on going and we found giant
They're
birds.
pretty.
Look here, more little fellas watching us. Anyhow, we kept on marching till we reached the summit. Yeehaw! See the little tiny cute trees? Check out this spectacular view.
What up, brosifs and broskies? So far on the gnomes, no dice. But like, you know, they're there. I can hear them. I can feel their presence. It's just like their vibes that they're sending out. Like I can tell that they're there. Yeah. Stay tuned for more updates.
Where are they? I can smell them. Where are they?
Big fresh pile of bear doo-doo. So maybe a bear got them.
I can hear them. I can hear the gnomes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. That was a lot.
Have you seen a gnome? Leave a comment below.
Thanks for watching. This video was sponsored by eggs and cigarettes. Really just part of your nutritional breakfast. All 4 courses of vitamins and minerals there and whatnot. That's all I have to say, really.
Cool.
Yeah.